Was a 3-day gap between the season opener and the second game. Do you feel you had the time you need to prepare for the game against Odisha?
We need to used to it because we have 3 days, 2 days between, sometimes 5 days between. I think that's just a process now. We need to get used to it, but I think we are good prepared.
You've had time to assess the performance from the last game. What was the conversation like with the squad about it?
Of course, we need to analyze the good things. That's just the most important things because we scored 4 goals. Yeah, we win. We get 3 points. I think in the end, this is the most important part to win. And we showed very good situation, creating chances. We had not so much chances, but we had a high quality of scoring. And as well, we need to improve the ball position. And from the first half, I think this was the negative part. In the midfield, we lost too fast the balls, and that's why the defender get in problems and they struggled in the defense work. But the positive things was the second half. We show different mentality, different ball position, different defense work as well. Yeah, we win a lot of duels. For example, when you see King, you lost the ball position without losing ball of 95%. That's a high level for a defender. Although he played a lot of balls forward, that means we had their good quality. Yeah, and in the end, the substitute was very good. As I told also the team, it's very important as a team. We are not only 11 players; it's more. We have here 31 players. This means every player is very important, especially when they're coming inside. Like we had in this game, Iman was pressing very good. Leon, unfortunately, he get injured, and is out now for the next game. But Prince scored a goal as a substitute. This means we have good quality on the bench in this game, and this was, I think, the pre-match analysis of the last game.
Because Odisha haven't played a game in the first round, would you look at it as a small advantage for your team that you've played one game already, or is it a bit of a hurdle because you haven't yet watched them play?
It's like empty glass, full glass. So I think both, because we played the game, we know how it is, how it feels. We get 3 points. This gives confidence, a lot of confidence. We had a good duels already, but still we had 90 minutes in the legs. That's also one part. So a small advantage. They had no games 3 days ago. That means they're fresh, but they don't know exactly where they are. That's maybe a short advantage for us. But in the end, shows in the game what happened then. I think we are prepared well for the game. We focus on ourselves because there's not much to analyze about Odisha. New coach, new foreign players, new team, and that's why we need to adapt very fast during the game. What happened in the situation, how they play, what kind of system they play. And we prepared. We had now 2 months preparation in all situations. Doesn't matter they play with 3 in the back, with 4 in the back, with 2 attacking, with 3 attacking player, with a diamond, a flat 4-4-2, with 3 center midfield player. Doesn't matter. We are prepared. We know how to react, and that is very important. The principle, how we want to play, doesn't change on the opponent.
How important is it to pick up points early on in the season while teams are still getting settled?
Usually football is everything about points. That is of course very important because sociology is a very important part in football. Of course you feel easier when you have scored goal as a striker, had assist as a midfield player or winger, when you win duels as a defender. It gives you confidence, but it doesn't matter you step down. That's just a step backwards. Very important to make the next step every time. Don't stay in the same level. Make the next step. That's why it's as important. But also it's not very negative when you don't get 3 points. Because you need to see a process like we had in the AFC Cup. We had two qualification games. And we step up step by step too. And also we lost the game, but afterwards we stepped more higher. That means depends on the team spirit and on the quality and the personality of the team as well.
Was finally, you mentioned that Leon won't play a part in the game tomorrow. Is there any definite update on his injury?
No, not yet. He had MRI in the morning. We don't know exactly. One thing we know direct after the game, there's no bone injury. That is also very important for him himself, also for his mindset. He feels better, he can walk already better, but still the foot is swollen. In the afternoon we know exactly what has happened. Maybe something on the ligaments. And 100% he will miss the game against Odisha.